Alright everyone, so we're back at this Mr. Car Wash. It's actually probably raining here. So it is raining. Oh, we got our new Mr. Car Wash.
It would make him laugh.
Yeah.
Hey. It's actually raining a long time.
Matt, there comes the sucker
Got all sorts of them now, guys.
No, not that many.
You're good. You can split them with your brother. Have a good one. Enjoy. He always does that.
Hey, do you have one of the good ones? No, it's gotta have. Let me see that. No, that's sour apple. Find another good one. Lime and lemon? No. Okay, thanks anyway. Well,
This is good.
yeah, I think so.
We're at this new Mr. Car Wash. Still. Those bushes look a little bit bumpy.
Yeah, he's thinking you're a big tall drinking water.
Now here comes the octopus. Now.
But it's like my eyes.
Whoa. Okay. And it looks like it's gonna have more bumps. Actually, it's not bumps. It's Optimus Prime. That's why I named this one Optimus Prime. Now here comes the Sunny's dryers. Oh, this one is not bump. It's an Optimus Prime. Oh, the buff and dry actually works. Come on. Well, there's no buff and dry. Because no, the buff and dry doesn't go down.
Not when it's been raining, but it doesn't go down.
Okay.
Has it been raining?
So thanks and peace out.